Hey everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with Aroma Hut Institute, and today I want to talk about the best essential oils to use for sleep. So number one on my list is lavender. Of course, this is a favorite for everyone, and it's a great oil to use and diffuse before you go to bed to help you sleep. Another favorite is bergamot. And this one has such great antidepressant properties. It really helps you to enter into a calming state and really relax so you can sleep. Another oil that's great for getting that deep sleep is frankincense. And I love this one because it really helps to help you relax, let go of that stress and anxiety, and it even helps with anger. Another great remedy for sleep is Vetiver, and this one helps to soothe anxiety and helps with relieving nervousness. And my last oil is cedarwood. Now this one has great sedative properties and will help calm the mind, and it's also an anti-inflammatory, so it helps with pain. I hope you'll try these essential oils and sleep like a baby.